Mr. Deputy President-designate, I shall now administer the oath of due execution of office for the Deputy President. Kindly repeat after me. I,
Kikuyu Kindiki,
do swear that I will always truly and diligently serve the people of Kenya and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, that I will diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I will at all times when so required faithfully and truly give my counsel and advice to the President of the Republic of Kenya, that I will do justice to all without fear, favor, affection, or ill will, and that I will not directly or indirectly reveal such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties and committed to my secrecy. So help me God.
Having taken the oath of office. Having taken the two oaths of office, His Excellency the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya is now proceeding to the ceremonial table to append his signature to the two oaths, that is the oath of allegiance and the oath of execution of office of the Deputy President. The Deputy President will be guided on signing the two oaths by the Attorney General. His Excellency the Deputy President will be signing 3 copies of each oath. The first set of oaths will be retained by His Excellency the Deputy President as a solemn reminder of the commitment he has made here today. The second set will be handed over to the Head of Public Service for custody. And the third set will be retained by the judiciary. The oath of allegiance, ladies and gentlemen, is an oath that His Excellency the Deputy President will be faithful and will bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya, and that he will also protect and defend the Constitution of Kenya. The second oath, His Excellency the Deputy President has committed to execute his duties diligently and perform his functions according to the law. The Chief Registrar will now transmit the oaths to the Honorable Chief Justice, who will also append her signature to the two oaths, 3 copies each. Her Ladyship, the Chief Justice, will be countersigning against the signature by His Excellency the Deputy President. Once the Chief Justice has appended her signature, the seal of the Chief Justice will be affixed on each of the oaths by the court officials. May I kindly invite the Honorable Chief Justice and His Excellency, the Deputy President, to stand in front of the maze for presentation of the oaths to the public. The Honorable Chief Registrar will be handing over the oaths to the Honorable Chief Justice, who will in turn hand them to His Excellency, the Deputy President. May I ask His Excellency the Deputy President and Her Ladyship the Chief Justice to take their seats as they hand over the oaths to the Honorable Attorney General.